Hello people, today we are making stitch braids with no long nails, no gels, no thread. Let's get into it.
It's the most beautiful time of the year. Lights fill the streets, spreading so much cheer. I should be playing in the winter snow, but I'ma be under the mistletoe. I don't wanna miss out on the holiday, but I can't stop staring at your face. I should be playing in the winter snow, but I'ma be under the mistletoe. With you, shawty, with you, shawty, with you.
Just like we do with knotless braids, you are going to take a portion of the hair and divide it into three. Stitch braids is basically cornrow, and if you do not know how to do a cornrow, this tutorial is going to do the best it can to teach you. But subscribe to my channel so that you can watch the full tutorial on how to do a cornrow. Like we saw on our tutorial from knotless braids, you are going to have the three strands, one in your palm, one between your thumb and your index finger, and the other one held in place by your middle finger. Now the one held in place by your middle finger is what you are going to add the next round of hair to, or where you're going to progress in the line of the cornrow. So take a portion of the remaining hair and then add it with your middle finger, like you can see me doing in the video. Then you are going to braid it just like the way we do with knotless braid. Basically, this is what you do for the stitch braid without any gel or thread. After every feed in with the remaining hair in the line of the cornrow, you are going to do one round of the weave or the braid before adding the next progressing step in the line of the cornrow. Now this type of stitch braid is what I call the one-sided stitch braid. For normal stitch braids that you see that the lines are on both sides of the weave, but this also works. This also gives you a beautiful natural look, and you can even add gel if you want to, but it does not need the gel to look great. You'll see in the end result. Another important detail worth mentioning is that you need to hold the braid very firmly. At any point in time, tug gently on the client's hair to make the braid tight. This will help the braid appear very neat. You can also use a comb, the back end of your tail comb, to fetch the hair that you feed into the cornrow. So what I'm doing with my right hand to fetch the hair and add to the braid, you can just use your comb to do that. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to the channel and stay till the end to see the final look. Bye!
Lights fill the streets, spreading so much cheer. I should be playing in the winter sun, but I'ma be under the mistletoe. I don't wanna miss out on the holiday, but I can't stop staring at your face. I should be playing in the winter